Today I'm going to be reviewing SWRT's 2 rolls premium yellow caution tape. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. These are 3 inches by 1,000 feet. Look, I don't want anyone touching my streaming stuff. Got the caution tape. Now they've been worn. You can warn them too with your caution tape. Fun for Halloween, fun for crime scenes, whatever you may need it for. This is strong tape. I'm going to show you how strong it is. Let's take one of these off of the roll. I'm going to see if I can actually tear this off of the roll. This stuff is super strong. All right. Oh my Lord. I can't even, it's not, oh my Lord, you can't do it. Actually, I tried this when I was going to put up the tape over there. I had to use my bone knife to get it. It's the only way. You cannot tear this. Let's try it one more time. I love a challenge. Can I rip this? Is this really that strong? I think it might be. Here we go. Can I rip it? Oh, wow. Okay, there you go. You can rip it, but you better be really strong or really lucky. This is an Amazon choice, which I love to see. This gets 4.6 stars, and last month, 200 plus of the 2-pack were sold. I hope this review helps. I'll see you next time.